Samsung announced the launch of the Galaxy Z Flip5 Retro, a limited edition phone that goes back to the company's 20 years lineage of innovation in foldable phones. It is inspired by the SGH E700, Samsung's first flip phone with a built-in antenna, which released in 2023. Flip 5 Retro features a retro design with indigo blue and silver colors reminiscent of the E7000. It comes along with some nostalgic graphics, UI tweaks, and a cityscape animation on the flex cover window. The phone will ship in a box with logos of both the Z Flip 5 and E700, as well as a flip suit cards with stickers featuring the various Samsung logos from past eras. The package will include a Samsung E700 collector card engraved with the Unveils serial number. It has the same specs of the regular Z Flip 5. That will be the Qualcomm 8 Gen 2 chipset with 6.7-inch AMOLED screen, 120Hz refresh rate. It has a triple rear camera center with a 50 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel front camera. The pricing is still not revealed yet. It'll be available in limited quantities in UK, France, Germany, Spain, Australia, and South Korea.